Damn, Rush, where you been, buddy? Missing the videos. I just noticed you ain't uploaded 3 weeks. When are you uploading? When are you coming back,
When
bro?
the vid's coming back?
Yo, when are you coming back?
When are you coming back? When are you uploading? Upload, please. So are you going to post a video soon? When are you coming back, bro? Well, I guess it's time to break the silence. Why did I stop making YouTube videos, and where have I been over the past 90 days? Today, I'm going to tell you all about it.
What is up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush back at it again. Today I'm finally back to give you guys an update. I know I've been gone for a long time. I've been seeing the comments, I've been getting the DMs, everyone's very curious, a lot of people have questions, and I've been very silent about the whole thing because I just needed time. I needed time to think about what I was going to do and kind of time to evaluate the situation because it's not a good one to be in. So some of you guys have an idea of what happened, some of you don't. I'm going to go ahead and give you kind of the rundown of what ended up really going down and why your boy stopped making YouTube videos. It wasn't something that I wanted to do. I would never stop like that, especially not for this long. As you guys know, I love my channel, love my cars, and I love sharing, the videos with you. And to just kind of cut it all off like that is not normal. So what ended up happening is one morning I woke up to a knock on the door, and the police were here with a search warrant and pretty much took the cars away. Yes, just like that. They just showed up one morning, knocked on the door, pretty much towed both the cars away. Whipple Mustang, side view. As you can see, my garage is empty. It looks a little different. I've been kind of getting into new stuff while I was off, for this long. As you can see, I got into fitness. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been kind of working out quite a bit and kind of just using this time away from social media to, make some positive changes in my life. So while this happened at my house, it also happened at 6.2 Hellcats and RTD route. So all of us pretty much had our cars taken away at the same time. They set it up like that. And yeah, it really sucks. I know I might be smiling about it right now because really deep inside I'm kind of in tears because I haven't had my cars for over 100 days, guys. And that is kind of insane to think about, your cars being gone for that long. But that's kind of where we're at right now. And I'm not sure how much longer it's going to be. It might be another year, it might be 6 months. I don't know how long they're planning to keep them or why they're even keeping them for this long. But yeah, it just really sucks. And I knew I had to just make an update video because people are making all kinds of rumors. There's been kind of some speculation out there about like some crazy things like me getting into accident or ending up in jail and all that stuff. So none of that has happened. I'm not in jail. I'm home, as you can see. But I just kind of been laying low on social media. As you guys know, I run an automotive channel. When you don't have the cars, then it's not really much fun to post, just vlogs, because I know that's not what you guys are really into on here, and that's not why you're here. And I strongly believe in having good content, so if I can't make good content, I'm just going to take a break until I can, and that's where we're at. So I've been taking a break. It's been good for me, but obviously not good for the channel. As you guys know, my channel is my baby. I've been working super hard to kind of grow this channel over the past couple of years, and to have it all kind of stopped really sucks, but that's part of life. Sometimes things happen, and you don't know what they're meant for right now, but maybe in the future we can look back at this and kind of see the light, because right now it seems like a whole lot of darkness. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of it. I don't really have too much to tell you guys. I can't really dive into too much details, but yeah, this police showed up, took my cars away, and I've been kind of just choosing to stay off social media for a while. I do miss you guys. I miss making the videos. I still do own the Boss. I have that car, but I just choose not to make videos with it, and I'll kind of explain that soon in another video. But just wanted to jump on here, say what's up. Hopefully you guys didn't forget me. Thankfully the channel has still continued to grow. So when all this went down, I was like 200k subscribers, and now we're like 216. So I know there's still more people joining the channel, and it's honestly such a blessing, like to be able to see people continue to support and help me grow the channel is just it's all I can ever ask for, really. I just can't wait to be able to jump back into making car videos and kind of continuing my passion for cars, as you guys know. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. I didn't want to talk about this too soon because I don't want to start like drama and start like a negative campaign or of hate or anything like that. It's not really what I'm about, so I figured once I'm in better mood, better spirits, we can kind of dive into it, and I'll give you guys the update, and that's why I'm here today. So yeah, please forgive me for keeping you guys in the dark for so long. I promise not to let you guys down again once I get my life in order with regards to the cars, but right now things are on hold, and I'm not sure for how much longer, but at least you guys kind of have an update for me. I might think about making some content, kind of collaborating with some other people and stuff like that in the time being, helping some smaller channels out in the community. I've thought about doing a few kind of things I want to do, and we'll see how it goes. But at the moment, that's kind of where I'm at with my cars. My cars are going to be gone for a little bit. They're going to be down. But you know, once they're back around, hopefully we'll continue making videos. There's going to be a lot of changes moving forward. I don't want to ever be in this position ever again. And definitely, you know, lesson learned. It's just not been fun to have your babies taken away from you for months on end. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Rush, and we'll catch you in another video. Peace, y'all. Take care.